Do you think there's a lost civilization in the Amazon that the Amazon jungle has eaten up or is hiding the evidence of?
Yes, I do. And we're beginning to find it. There are these huge, what we call geoglyphs, these mound groups that are in geometric patterns. I think that the average Joe, when they hear the word civilization, they think of something that looks like Rome. And I don't think we're ever going to find anything that looks like Rome in the Amazon. I think a lot of things there, I mean, wherever you are on the planet, you use your natural resources. And in the Amazon, there's not a whole lot of stone. What stone is there is deep, deep, deep. So a lot of their things were built out of dirt and trees and feathers and textiles.
But is it possible that all that land that's not covered by trees is actually hiding stone, for example, some architecture, some things that are just very difficult to find for archaeologists?
I think at the base of the Andes, where the Amazon connects to the Andes, there's a lot of potential there because that's where the stone actually starts poking up. When you get down into the basin, stone is meters and meters under the ground, except for a stray cliff here and there where the river dug deep. And even then, only in the dry season, because that river rises like over 100 feet
Hmm.
every year.
Well, that's one of the things, having visited that area, just interacting with waterfalls and seeing the water. I was humbled by the power of water to shape landscapes and probably erase history in the context that we're talking about of civilizations. As water can just make everything disappear over a period of centuries and millennia. And so if there's something existed a very long time ago, thousands of years ago, it's very possible it was just eaten up by nature.
Absolutely. In fact, in my opinion, that's almost a certainty in a lot of places.
Yeah.
The Grand Canyon was dug by water. There's this wimpy little river in it right now, and you can't possibly imagine that it dug that, but it did. The power of nature and geology is really kind of magical. And when it comes to ancient civilizations that could be from a long time ago, there's probably a lot that are just under the ocean, and just the wave action have destroyed them, and what they haven't destroyed buried deep.